Hazrat Ikrimah has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered Makkah Mukarramah, he refused to enter the house because the false gods, idols, have been fixed in it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders to out them. So they were taken out, and they were portraits of Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail alayhimus salam with divining arrows in their hands. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu perish these infidels. Undoubtedly, they know quite well that they never threw the divining arrows." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then entered Allah's house and pronounced takbeer in its corners and came out without performing prayer therein. Memar has also reported the same from Ayyub, and Wahib said, Ayyub has narrated it to us from Ikrimah and he from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4288.